Hi guys, it's Arielle here from Fix My Books, and today we are going to be talking about the difference between a business number, a corporation number, and a GST number. We're going to go through all of those today. So first things first, a corporation number, you will find it in your certificate of incorporation or articles of incorporation. It will look exactly like this on the right. It will say your corporation name and then your corporation number below. I think the reason why most people are confused between the corporation number and the business number is because they are both 9 digits long. However, this is like the big distinction between them. You will automatically get a corporation number once you incorporate. You will not automatically get a business number if you incorporate unless under special circumstances, which I will touch on later on. So since they are both 9 digits, a good way to distinguish between the corporation number and the business number is that the business number will 99% of the time start with either a 7 or an 8, even though it's also 9 digits. A corporation number looks something like this. They will look very different. So as I mentioned a while ago, the corporation number is automatic once you register a corporation, but the business number may or may not be, right? So if you use a third-party service provider to register your corporation like owner, okay, then it will be automatic. So this happened recently where when I actually incorporated through owner, I didn't automatically get a business number. I had to call in. But the new clients that I've had that incorporate through owner, I saw in their incorporation that they automatically were registered for a business number as well through owner. So that's actually a good thing. It makes things a lot easier. So as I mentioned, it depends on who you register with. As I said, with owner, recently I've seen that they've been registering for business numbers when the clients incorporate with them. But again, not necessarily automatic. You will still have to double check if you have a business number. So now, what is the difference between your business number and your HST number? So I think a lot of people kind of get confused with this. Okay, so your business number is your identifying number with the CRA. Let me just zoom in so you can see this easier. And then all of these other program account numbers, like your HST number, is just a variation of your business number, right? So first of all, you would just need to get a business number from the CRA. So either you call up or you register online. It's up to you. Once you have a business number, then you can start opening up all these other program account numbers. So a little caveat for corporations, once you register for your business number, this is the RC account. This is the only number that will automatically be registered once you have a business number, because obviously, once you have a business number, you're going to start paying income tax, right? No way getting out of that. So that's why you're automatically registered for that. Why is the HST not automatically registered then if they are going to automatically register the income tax? Because you know how there are like HST limits, like the $30,000 limit with the HST number where you don't need to register, or it's optional to register until you hit $30,000 in sales. That's why. Just because you have a business number doesn't mean you're going to charge HST. Doesn't mean you already have employees and need a payroll number, right? So that's why these are not automatically registered, but the corporate income tax program number is. Now, these three, I'm going to highlight them just so you guys can see. So this and this, they are special accounts. No one really, like as a normal business, I haven't really seen anyone use these two numbers, the import-export and obviously registered charity. But these two over here, let me just highlight these. These you will see very, very often, almost all corporations would have them. And this is when the corporation issues dividends, they start getting this RZ number. So again, all these other program account numbers are just variations of your business number plus the RT or RP and then 0001. It could be 0002. That depends, but that is just under very, very special circumstances. Like, for example, if you sell your corporation and the corporation has a new owner, it's going to be this RC0002. So I've seen that change to 2 when it is based on those type of things. So once again, I hope this is clear. Don't get confused between your corporation and your business number. And honestly, the corporation number, this almost never gets brought up. So when we ask for like the business number, it's this. And very, very rarely will someone ask for your actual corporation number. It really is more of the business number, HST or payroll number that that's like more important. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.